Hey everyone! Today we're checking out 3 amazing tools for Unreal Engine which many people don't know about but can seriously boost your productivity. So, let's get started. Our first tool is BlueprintUE.com. This web-based tool is designed for sharing Blueprint and other Unreal-related codes. Think of it as a paste bin for Unreal's blueprints and other things. You can copy and paste your Blueprint nodes from Unreal Engine into this site to create a shareable link. This is super handy for collaboration and troubleshooting. And the best thing is that not only you can share the blueprints, but you can also share different type of Unreal things, like you can share animation blueprint, behavior trees, PCG, material and Niagara effects, and you can even share meta sounds. To access this, scroll down and then you will see other types of blueprints. Just click on any of these and it will take you there. But I have to say they don't work as well as Blueprints does, so just be aware of that. Now that we know about this site, let's check out some features. Let's search for something simple in the blueprint section. As you can see, we get quite a few results. You can click on the one you want to see and it will open that. After it has been opened, you can hold right-click to pan around. To zoom in and out, you can hold Control and then scroll. To copy, either you can select the certain nodes and press Ctrl+C, or you can scroll down and click on this. Then you would be able to copy the whole code and paste the code into your project. And I forgot to mention, but you can also go full screen by pressing this. Now, of course, it won't work perfectly right away since every code is from a different project, but with a few adjustments, you can make it work easily. And another great feature is that you can save the codes you use regularly. Just go to the home page, give it a name, paste the code, select if you want to make the code public or private, and that's it. Now you can easily copy and paste your code whenever you need it. In second, we have Quixel Mixer. Quixel Mixer is designed for creating and customizing textures and materials. You can apply smart materials that adapt realistically to your assets, adding details like dirt accumulation and wear and tear. Quixel supports 3D painting and procedural masking, and mainly you can mix different textures to make a whole new texture, allowing you to create a wide range of materials. Quixel Mixer has come a long way. Initially, you could only create textures on a given mesh, but now you can import your own 3D meshes and texture them directly within Quixel Mixer. This makes the process much more intuitive and efficient. One of the standout features of Quixel Mixer is its ability to mix and match different types of textures. This feature provides a ton of settings to blend multiple textures together, creating entirely new materials. This flexibility is why most textures in Quixel Mixer are made by combining various elements, hence the name Mixer. Another great feature is its seamless integration with the Megascans library. This gives you access to thousands of high-quality assets directly within the application, making it especially powerful for creating realistic textures. The interface is user-friendly, making it accessible for artists of all skill levels, from beginners to professionals. Since it's integrated with Megascans library, it's particularly great for creating photorealistic materials. Quixel Mixer is a great alternative to Substance Painter, especially because it offers a vast material library and is free to use for Unreal Engine projects. This makes it an excellent tool for Unreal developers who need high-quality textures without additional costs. Textures created with Quixel Mixer can be used commercially if they are used within Unreal Engine. If you want to use these textures outside of Unreal, you'll have to buy a subscription based on your need. But for Unreal devs, it is 100% free to use. Quixel Mixer also supports cross-platform use, being available on Windows, Mac OS, making it a versatile choice for various workflows. Overall, Quixel Mixer streamlines the texturing process, giving artists the creative freedom to produce high-quality materials efficiently. And now for the last tool in this video, but one that definitely deserves its own place, Plant Factory. Unlike the other tools we've discussed, Plant Factory is not specifically for Unreal Engine. You can use this tool with any software you want. If you've ever tried to use Megascans trees in an actual game, you know how challenging it can be. Often you end up needing to create your own foliage to get the performance and look you need. This is where Plant Factory comes in. Plant Factory allows you to generate high-quality, botanically accurate plants for use in various 3D applications and game engines. You can create plants from scratch or modify existing models, giving you complete control over the appearance and behavior of your vegetation. Originally, Plant Factory was a paid tool, but following its acquisition by Bentley Systems, it is now available for free. along with VUE and Plant Catalog. This makes it more accessible than ever for artists and developers. One of the standout features of Plant Factory is its ability to convert 3D geometry into textured planes. This is incredibly useful for creating low-polygon versions of plants for real-time applications. The software can bake color, normals, backlight, alpha, and ambient occlusion channels. It also supports vertex colors and has a mesh cutout editor for atlases, enhancing the modeling workflow. Despite its powerful features, Plant Factory is user-friendly and easy to use. It integrates seamlessly with other Eon software products like VUE and Plant Catalog, as well as popular 3D applications such as Unreal Engine, Unity, and Blender. This makes it easy to export and use the created vegetation in various projects. Overall, Plant Factory is a powerful tool for 3D artists and game developers looking to create realistic and customizable vegetation for their projects. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for our upcoming devlog about our new game. Thanks for watching.